Hey everyone, it's Chris over here at Acevacuums. Happy Monday morning. I know it's the beginning of the work week, so hope you guys have a great day and a great week. Just want to let you guys know, as you all already know, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So if you guys have a special someone in your life and you guys are thinking about buying something for that special someone, I know sometimes not always buying a vacuum is the most romantic gift, but some women do love a brand new vacuum, and it would be nice to be able to give that special someone the gift of a brand new Mila. So, in honor of Valentine's Day tomorrow, what we're going to be doing, it's only on our select models, which is our home care. So, home care is you can only buy from a dealer. You get a lot of perks and benefits of the home care. You get a 5-year warranty on all the parts, the labor, the motor, the casing. Sometimes you get some nice little service plans with them, some free services and cleanings with them. You get additional tools and attachments that you don't get with any of the other machines. And since it's Valentine's Day, if you come in on any red model Mila, which is all the home care, whether it be a compact C1, classic C1, complete C3, anything that's a home care, which is our red unit, in honor of Valentine's Day, since it's red and it's nice, we're going to give you guys $100 off on all the models in our store that's a home care. That's right, you heard it, I said it, $100 off on every home care model that we have here in the store. So if you guys are in the market to get a new vacuum, you're kind of on the fence, yours isn't really working that well, you've had it for quite some time, or you just want to upgrade and get something a little bit better than what you got now, come see us tomorrow for Valentine's Day for all day long from 10 to 6. If you come in at either our Fairfax location, which is at 11110 Lee Highway, or here in Leesburg at 300 Fort Evans Road, you can get $100 off on all home care models. And like I said, that's on all of them. So stop by, come see us, all right? Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the week, and give us a call at 703-997-9292. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, as well as YouTube. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope to see you guys out and having a great day. Thank you.